Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett. We're in beautiful downtown Miami where the weather is hot, but the boats are even hotter. This is the world debut for the HCB 48 Campeon. This is one hot looking boat. What you should do is step aboard with me and I'll show you all the details. So she is tricked out with quad Yamaha 450s, the brand new engines, and it's got that glacier blue paint on the hulls to match this beautiful boat. And then right behind me, I got this beautiful seating area, and underneath I have two 65-gallon live wells, comfortable seating. I got frigid rigid coolers all over on the side decks, in the back, replaceable seats. I got speakers to make this thing thump, thump, thump. We got shade for protection of the sun. We got rocket launchers, rod holders. So we have a starboard side boarding door. It's a tuna door because you're gonna bring that fresh catch in. We got our Seakeeper below. With that Seakeeper, we have massive amounts of space so you can access all your pumps, bilges, whatever. It's a great space down there. Let's step up to the helm. So we have an oversized hardtop with that glacier blue underside. It's absolutely eye-popping. And then back here we have a bench seat for four. Check out the stitching. Now we have triple helm chairs up here, fully adjustable, and again, that beautiful teak. But now let's talk about the helm in great detail. The Campeon is full of innovations, and one of them is in the electronics. So HCB has a proprietary system in line with Garmin that has all their digital switching right up here at hand. We have a couple manual switches. Everything is totally programmable. It's right here at a fingertip. So of course we got our twin Garmin array. We got great visibility up here, but we're gonna do things in style because we got a faux teak helm pod. Man, this thing is absolutely stylish. When you're out there whipping it in the water, you're gonna look good. More innovation is the helm access for the cabin below. Right? Used to be on the outside, now we're protected. We can step down below. Let's go check it out. Talk about dripping with style. Check out these floors. Check out the cabinetry. This woodwork is absolutely luxurious on every level. The craftsmanship is totally on point. Of course, you can relax here down below, get out of the cool, but you can fill this in, spend the night, and of course we have a nice little wet head here. But really, it's all about the beautiful details down here. I wish you could smell the beautiful woodwork in here. It's absolutely incredible. Hey, you want a party? Come on up to the bow because this is where it's all happening up here. We got speakers so we can thump, thump, thump the night away. We can relax up here. We have twin forward-facing loungers. Then we have a fully electrically actuated table up or down. Hey, you can get rid of these beautiful cushions and use it as a casting platform. You can dine up here al fresco. And then just behind that, we have this massive European lounger. Oh, I love it. It's so comfortable. That's where we started it. Absolutely beautiful up here. And the stitching is just gorgeous. So this 48 Campeon absolutely drips with the DNA of HCB. It checks all the boxes. It's gonna bring it. It's the DNA is all right here. This is one smoking hot boat. What you need to do is go step aboard, see it for yourself, and then you get to pick out all the colors, the features, because you get it as you want it at HCB.